In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cast your entire screen from your Lenovo Tab P12 over to your Google Chromecast device, which is plugged into your television. Before you begin, make sure your Chromecast is set up and is on the same Wi-Fi network. So to cast your entire screen is not too difficult. So what you want to do is swipe down from the top of the screen with your finger to reveal the menu, then swipe down again. So the cast option by default is not listed in this section. So you can't see it anywhere. So what you need to do is select this little icon down the very bottom here. So select that. And then scroll down towards the very bottom, and the cast option is in this section here. So you can see it's called Screencast. So if you press and hold your finger over this, and then you can drag it upwards, and you need to drag it into this section. And if you're going to use it quite a lot, drag it towards the top so it's easily accessible. I just select it there. And I can close that. So now if I want to cast this screen, all I have to do is swipe down from the top. And if I just swipe down again to reveal the names, you can now see Screencast is selected. Unfortunately for this demonstration, I can't select it as it will stop recording the video for some reason. But if you just select Screencast, the list of Chromecast devices in your home should be displayed, and just select that and you should be good to go. So hopefully that helps you. Thanks for watching.